Wellingotn Monument. The Duke commands, as he did in life, this time your attention. Spanning the north aisle he towers, like an atlas of determined intention, spanning the visitor's hours. An epic construction. Arthur Wellesley sits mounted on top, his black horse calm as he surveys the tourists, guides and the rest of the crop, the numerous hoi polloi and their plebeian ways. Below his horse, a massive plinth, stands a solid arch on columns Doric scene, valour versus cowardice engaged in strife, showing the battle between, and truth versus falsehood, the struggles of life. Beneath the triumphal arch lofty, in effigy bronze our hero lays out, above a pile of sculptured spoils, cannons, shields, seemingly scattered about. In his massive sarcophagus, the virtual power he still wields. Dominating the cathedral, like the Spanish fields he did of old, the man with a coup d'eau feel stands out still and bold, his presence solid as steel. So when, dear visitor, you depart, and the outside world beckons you well, spare for the man on the horse, and the men he led through shot and shell, a thought as your existence continues its benign course.